नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन थर्सडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस विटनेस्ड अ शार्प रैली। द टेक हैवी Nasdaq and the S&P 500 surged 1.43% and 1.04% respectively, breaking out of the consolidation, while the Dow closed 0.77% higher. Going forward, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are expected to maintain their upward momentum. On Thursday, the Brent oil ended on a flat note. Going ahead, the zone of $74 to $73.8 will act as an immediate support. The US dollar index has given a breakdown of upward sloping trend line on a daily scale. Going ahead, it is likely to continue its southward journey and test its 100-day EMA level, which is currently placed at 106.61 level. Talking about Nifty's view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark index Nifty experienced heightened volatility. The session began with a sharp upside rally, propelling the index to an intraday high of 23,235. However, the momentum failed to sustain and Nifty swiftly reversed its course, slipping over 200 points from the peak. By the close, the index settled near the 23,000 mark, registering a marginal loss of 0.06%. This price action led to the formation of a bearish candlestick with a prominent upper shadow signaling selling pressure at higher levels. Notably, in the previous session, the index has formed a candle with a long lower shadow, indicating buying support at lower levels. Given this contrasting price behavior, we anticipate Nifty to remain range bound within the 22,798 to 23,235 zone over the next few trading sessions. आज के दिन के लिए 22,900 टू 22,870 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा और ऊपर की तरफ 23,130 टू 23,160 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा. On the derivatives front, the February futures ended on a flat note, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series dipped by 0.77%. The 23,100 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 23,200 strike. On the put side, the 23,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 22,900 strike. For the weekly series, OI PCR is at 0.78, while for the February monthly series, OI PCR is at 0.89. Talking about Bank Nifty also failed to sustain above the 49,800 mark and thereafter it witnessed a correction of nearly 500 points. आगे चलते 49,000 to 48,900 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा और ऊपर की तरफ 49,700 to 49,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा. Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex marked a high of 76,764 and thereafter witnessed a correction of over 750 points. It has ended the session near a day's low. आगे चलते 76,500 to 76,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा और नीचे की तरफ 75,700 to 75,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा. On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.09% and the open interest of the current series has also dipped by 4.89%. The 76,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 77,000 strike. On the put side, the 76,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 75,500 strike. For the weekly series, OI PCR is at 0.77. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX ended on a flat note. Going ahead, the zone of 15 to 15.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. The advanced decline ratio remains flat on Thursday. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty Auto, Consumer Durables, FMCG, Media, PSU Bank, Realty, Oil and Gas and IT space are likely to underperform the frontline indices, while Nifty Financial Services and Nifty Private Bank are likely to outperform in the short term. Talking about the FIDI data, the FI sold to the tune of 2,789 crore, while the DIs bought to the tune of 2,934 crore. The FI's long-short ratio for index futures is at 15.87, as on a net basis they bought 3,232 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.